What is poppin', gentlemen? Back with another trade and recap. For some reason, it feels like it's been a minute. I missed y'all. Glad to be back. So we took this trade. Let's hurry up and just get into it. You know, I like to keep these trade and recaps short and quick, right to the point. Help you guys understand why I took the trade, how the market moves, and simple, right? This trade was pretty clean, about a 3.11 RR. I actually took two trades today. Both trades hit W's. That's all I gotta say. I think we made about like a 5 RR for the day, honestly. I'll go over both trades. First, we're gonna go over the big trade. This was my best trade of the day. Let's get into it. So, as you can see, market opens 9:30. What do I notice? Well, we have a huge ass fair value gap right in here. I believe on the 3-minute you can see it a little better. Yep, there it is. On the 3-minute, we have a huge, beautiful fair value gap. I wanted to wait for us to come back down into that on the 1-minute to take my entry. That's exactly what I did. All right. We got a pretty solid entry. I got up right in here. Execution mark, dot, the blue dot, see right there, right in here. That's my I entered. As you can see, we came down in the drawdown a little bit. I wasn't too worried about it. I mean, we already had about like fucking 5 minutes of strong support showing that this fair value gap is strong as shit. Like, it's holding. So I was pretty confident. We had some buy side liquidity. Well, this was an equal high I was targeting. And then up here we had buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity. We also had a 4-hour up here that I was originally targeting to make this trade become a 1 to 5 almost. As you can see, that did get hit. The only problem that I had is, bro, I don't like holding trades this long. I mean, this is fucking... I mean, fuck, man. I got out at 10. This is pretty much a whole nother hour I had to hold a trade. I don't like doing that shit, okay? Like, I don't. I went to the gym during all this time. I went to the gym. I got in the sauna. I got back, made fucking 6 eggs, made 5 pieces of bacon, put some sriracha hot sauce on them fuckers, enjoyed my time eating it. So, I mean, I don't need to hold the trade this long, bro. I ain't about that shit, honestly. So, instead of me taking this trade all the way up here, I said, bro, fuck it. I don't even care. I'm already at a 1 to 3. Like, I'm done, right? I don't give a fuck if it goes up higher or not. I'm done. So that's what I did. But we also had an order block. This one candle took out this previous candle, sell side liquidity, which then creates the order block of this candle. Beautiful trade, honestly, man. You know, I kept my stop loss the low of this fair value gap, and I believe I put it against this inverse fair value gap, which we had right here. That's an inverse fair value gap. Just in case, that's where I put the lows, though, right there. If we would have came lower, whatever, I wouldn't have gave a fuck. I would have got stopped out there. But yeah, 1 to 3, beautiful trade. We as you can see, I had these marked. This was just some bullish fair value gaps. Everyone held. It was beautiful. So we got 3 touches there, held perfectly. No touch on this one. Had about 1 touch, kind of 1 touch on that one, held perfectly. And then the rest is history. TP, hit, smashed to the fucking balls, bro. Let me also show you this, though, so you understand. Zoom out. Remember what I say, guys. When in doubt, zoom out. Check this shit out. So right here, this is a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. It's holding, as you can see, resistance, resistance. Bang. We broke out of it. And if you come down, you'll see we're testing it above now. We're testing the top of that 4-hour bearish fair value gap. That then turns into what? An inverse fair value gap. So that's just another strong confluence. Came up, broke out of it, came back down, touched it, bang, shot the rate the fuck up, using it as support for that 4-hour inverse fair value gap. Came down into this 3-minute bullish fair value gap. I got my entry. We also had an order block on that 3-minute, which was on that 1-minute, excuse me. The 1-minute order block, bang, never came down into that, so I wasn't really worried about it, but it was still there just in case. Huge fair value gap that we targeted. Beautiful entry, honestly. Targeting this buy side liquidity, this equal high, and buy side liquidity up here. I could have taken this trade even higher to target the 4-hour highs up here, but I didn't want to hold it for this long. I mean, we just pretty much consolidated like for fucking a whole hour. So an hour and 27 minutes pretty much, like a fucking hour and a half. But yeah, that was the first. This was actually the second trade of the day. The first trade I took, it was before market open, and I'll go over that now as well. There's this trade. This was a little bitch trade, like a 1 to 2. Yeah. All right, gentlemen, we are now logged into the other account, and here's this trade. We had a little SMT up here, nothing crazy. ES, it was showing the opposite. So came up into this bearish fair value gap. I missed the first entry, so I wanted to potentially wait for a second tap into this fair value gap. Excuse me. But we still low-key didn't really tap into that fair value gap. Instead, I took this right here. This was the second bearish fair value gap. So I got this, it held, and we came back into it. This is when I entered, considering we held already for the first time we came back into it. So I entered up here, and I was pretty much just going to target this sell side liquidity, which I low-key did. I had 3 contracts. Or wait, no, I believe I had 2 contracts. I sold the one down here for a 1 to 2 pretty much. I brought my stop loss. My stop loss was right here. I just kept it here the whole time. Yeah, okay. I had 2 contracts here. I sold one of my contracts down here. I would have liked to sell my other one at this sell side liquidity. This is what I had marked. But we didn't want to hit that. I should have just been like, all right, you know what? Fuck it. I'm selling both down here. It's low enough. But we didn't. So we then ended up coming back up, and I was like, oh, I don't like this. We broke straight through this bearish fair value gap, and I didn't like that shit. You know, I don't like that. We ended up coming back up here into my drawdown, and then we whipped all the way back down to in profit for me, and I was like, all right, boom, I'm out. I'm selling it. Fuck all that shit. So this trade was low-key only like a fucking 1 to 2, I believe. Yeah, 1 to 2 on this trade. And, yeah. That's that. The other trade was better, but made about 5 RR for the day. Super light, super easy, nothing crazy. That's about it, though. So, peace out, you guys. Have a fucking good one. And, let me check if there's any news tomorrow. I feel like there is. Some Red 4 news. Just be aware of that coming in tomorrow. Lower your risk if you have to. We have unemployment claims. And President Trump speaks. Oh my fuck. I hope to God he says something about fucking crypto, bro. Because honestly, I'm going to give this crypto a couple more weeks, maybe a month or 2. And I'm probably going to get out of my altcoins. I'm going to continue holding Bitcoin and all that shit, like my big blue chips and all that, but I'm out of the altcoins, I think. If we can get a good run within March, hopefully before March, I think I'm out, bro, honestly. I'm probably going to sell like 50% of my bags and lock up some good profit. Other than that, though, we need to hope he says something about this crypto, honestly. Like, give us a Bitcoin reserve. Give us something, bro. Tell us you're buying more Bitcoin. I know you're buying Ethereum, but we got to get something going. This shit's got to move, bro. All right, like, we got to fucking move. Straight up. We got to move. Higher. At least higher, bro. It hasn't even been a legit... All right, honestly, if we look at it, let's see how much fucking XRP ran. I was in this shit, bro. I'm in this shit at 46 cents. I've been holding for 2 fucking years. So I'm up. No matter what, I'm up on it. But I think it could go to like $7. The fuck is this? I think it could go to like $7, even $4. $4 to $7 is my price target. Like up here I have $7, down here like $5, and then right here $4. I think we could hit a lot of those, truthfully. But you have to also look where we came from. I mean, like, fuck, dude. Holy fuck. Let's, hold on, where's 47 at? 46. I'm up like 600% on this fucking thing, on this fucking shit. But I'm also not even in. I've been in since fucking 2022, I believe, at 46 cents. So yeah, I've been holding, boys. I've been holding. But yeah. Anyways, got some red folder news. I'll wait till after that comes out at 8:30 a.m. to then potentially get a setup. And then we also have the 11 a.m. Trump speaks. Honestly, I bet a lot of people will not be trading tomorrow. It's going to be pretty volatile, I bet. But we'll see if we can catch anything. Just observe the market, see if anything comes to us. But that's about it, though. I don't want to continue rambling on here. Real quick, like, look at this shit, bro. Honestly, dude, when it comes to crypto, nobody can hold my fucking jock with these, Listen, I know it's a little off. I had us coming up and then going sideways to then go up again. But it looks like we are going up. We're still going up, and now we're going sideways. And now I'm just waiting for us to have another run up. Like I predicted this. Boom, boom. Look, it's doing the exact fucking thing I predicted, only my shit's a little off. Here, I'm going to show you. That's the initial one I had. And this is literally what it did. We're still going sideways. I'm waiting for us to go up. But this could also mean that we're going to go higher to like 137. I mean, it's pretty much the same fucking shit I had. Like, you know, whatever. Don't sleep on me on crypto, boys. I've been in the crypto game since 5 fucking years. Started doing this shit 8th grade. Really took to it freshman year of high school. The rest is history, straight up. But yeah, don't sleep on me when it comes to fucking crypto. Anyways, I'd like to see Polygon run to $3. I mean, if it could break all-time highs, GameFi. If Ethereum could potentially hit 7K to 10K, which it's not looking good with us. It's not looking good for us right now. I'm gonna be straight, bro. This shit ain't doing dick. I mean, we're just still in this fucking triangle, consolidating inside this ascending triangle here. Hopefully, though, if we break, boom, TP 7,400, easy money, easy fucking money. If that could potentially happen, I think we could see Polygon, because Polygon runs off of the Ethereum chain and it's GameFi. If GameFi explodes, which it's going to this run, at least it should. So much shit's different this fucking bull run, boys. So much shit is completely fucking different this bull run. But if we could see that, we could potentially see this either trade at $3 or break all-time highs and start trading around $6. But that's kind of high, you know. That's asking for a lot. So I'd be happy if it can even get to fucking $1. If it gets to $1, I'll make like fucking 5 figures. So hopefully we can like at least get to $1 or do something. All-time highs would be fucking sick. All-time highs would be absolute legendary. But yeah. Anyways, I should probably stop ranting about this shit. But hey, those were the trades. 2 for 2 on the day. Fucking gotta love it. Gotta love this shit. I'm so fucking glad I stuck to this shit all those years. So hey, peace out, gentlemen. Have a fucking good one. Happy Thursday. Happy trading.